Welcome, viewer. Today, we bring you the latest updates and insights from around the world. Movies have long been a source of entertainment, but they can also serve as powerful tools for manipulation and influence. How to Make and Sell a Propaganda Film in India, a graphic novel by The Quint, explores this darker side of cinema. Created through a collaboration between human writers and AI-generated visuals. This work delves into the use of movies as instruments of social control. The graphic novel examines how films can be employed to sow discord among communities, exacerbate existing divisions, and even fan the flames of hatred. By analyzing the mechanics behind propaganda filmmaking, the creators aim to shed light on the subtle yet potent ways in which media can shape public opinion and attitudes. This project serves as a thought-provoking exploration of the intersection between art, technology, and societal impact. It challenges viewers to consider the potential consequences of using entertainment as a means of persuasion and manipulation, encouraging critical thinking about the role of media in shaping our perceptions of the world around us. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this.